This is a short video on how to make your own mobile phone cleaning product. So first you need a spray bottle which you can buy in any supermarket in the plastic section. This is a small spray bottle, I think it's 30 milliliters, a reusable bottle. And you need to buy alcohol, which you can get in the medical section of the supermarket where they sell personal care products or plasters, like and also aspirin perhaps. So this is a 70% alcohol. Is for antiseptic. So all you have to do is unscrew the spray bottle and then fill up about 1/3 of the bottle with alcohol. This should be enough. And the rest of the bottle you fill with normal water. And then you close the spray bottle, mix it a bit. Then you take a microfiber cloth and spray a couple of times on it. Make sure the bottle is vertical when you spray, and then you can clean your mobile phone. So I'll clean the case also, but if you want to only clean the phone itself, that's alright also. It's better to spray first on the piece of cloth instead of directly on the phone. If not, you might get the liquid in the speaker or any other openings. So that's why spray first on the cloth and then you can clean. But make sure that you don't have any small dirt on the screen which might make any scratches when you clean with the cloth. So better have a quick blow on it and make sure there are no solid dirt particles. So better swipe first very lightly, and then once you are sure there's no solid dirt items, you can wipe a bit stronger with the solution that we made earlier. So once that's clean, it's also important to clean the back side and also to get the dust and dirt particles off your case so that you won't have any small particles which may scratch the phone. So you can clean the phone on the back also and on the sides. And also remember to clean the inside of your case as to avoid any solid dust particles. And then I use a finer tissue or cloth to dry up the phone and to polish the remaining stains from the previous cleaning. And when it's done, you can put it back in the case and it's clean. So I would do that for at least every 3 or 4 days, so as to get rid of any kind of dirt which may not be very healthy. Another good reason why to regularly take your phone out of the case to clean it is because sometimes if you leave the phone too long in the case without ever taking it out, dust can set itself along the frame of the camera output, and then if you never take off the case, the dirt and dust which collects on the border will leave a marking on the phone itself, especially if you haven't taken it out of the case for a very long time. So that's why it's good to at least to take the phone out of the case at least once a week to clean all of the dust along the borders, as well as the phone itself and the case. So that was it. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.